Today, I am so excited to introduce a new underwater camera system to you, the CCROV, the first 360 underwater camera. It is fully compatible with the CCROV tether deploying system, easy to connect, just like the CCROV underwater drone. Turn on the battery. There are 8 highlight LED lights shining. Connect the 5G Wi-Fi from the battery system. Then you can enter the application. We see the live image of the CC camera. The HD high-definition image transformation enables real-time monitoring the first perspective on mobile devices. CCROV will work perfectly in all underwater situations. In my next video, I'll share more videos shot with the CC camera. Thanks for watching.